La grandinata. The rain has finally come, but devastating rain as we suspected, with hail. Yes, it might take away the atrocious heat we've been having, but what damage to agriculture. Goodbye, tomatoes. Arrivederci, our grapes, I fear. Even damage to the olive trees. Intense hail. Here in Assisi, and not only, probably all over central Italy. Can you hear the noise on the roof here outside this restaurant? The hail. La grandinata. Natural disaster. Extremes of temperature. It's been very hot. The heat is leaving now with this rainstorm, but the rainstorm is bringing what we all feared. Hail, la grandinata, damaging hail, a destruction to nature, extreme climate change. Who can deny it? Greetings from Assisi.